Repeat it. At the museum? Okay.
So I will make it brief. So already we visited the Stele Park, the Obelisk Park with the Archaeological Museum, and we are in Saint Mary Zion, Saint Mary Zion. You know, Zion means like a dwelling place of God, like the sacred mountain in Israel. So Mary, Saint Mary is identified with Zion because she having been a dwelling place of God when she was pregnant. And the Ark of the Covenant also identified with Zion or Zion because the Ark contained, you know, the tablets on which God inscribed the 10 Commandments. So the Ark was given to Prophet Moses in Sinai 3,400 years ago. And then God made the commandment on 2 pieces of stones. And then Moses, he put those tablets inside the box. So it was in Jerusalem. There was no permanent, you know, building or temple for the ark for 300 years. But later on, a temple was built by King Solomon. And then Menelik I, the son of Queen of Sheba and the son of King Solomon, he brought the Ark of the Covenant from Jerusalem to Aksum. So that's why Aksum is still remained as a spiritual capital of Ethiopia, because the Ark of the Covenant is finally rested in this compound. So the chapel in front of us with the green window is the chapel where the Ark is, the Ark of the Covenant. The Ark, it was given to Moses and then brought by Menelik I and finally rested in this building. So no one is allowed to go in except one monk. We call him the guardian. So the guardian is the only one who can go in to see the original Ark, the Ark of the Covenant. So this building was constructed in 1965 by the name of the Queen of Emperor Haile Selassie, Menen, you know, Empress Menen. And then the big cathedral behind us is built by Emperor Haile Selassie in 1965. So the Ark was in another building before this chapel for 300 years, and then it was moved from the former chapel to this building in 1965. So this chapel is, sometimes after heavy rain, the water leaks through the roof, so that's why a new chapel has been built. This is a new one, you know, built last year, and then the Ark, it will move into this new chapel, but still in the old one, and then it will move to this building. By the decision of the Council of the Bishop, the Synod will decide the date, and then the Ark, it will move into this, but still the Ark is in this chapel. So the guardian always live inside the compound. Can you see the metal fence in front of the chapel? That is the place only the guardian can walk, can live, but he never come out from that compound for his entire life. After he became a monk, he never come out from this compound. So the Ark was carried to the swimming pool, which is from here just 500 meters before 16th century. But for the last 500 years, the Ark never come out from the chapel. But when it was moved in 65, you can imagine it was carried, and then it was seen by more than one person when it was carried from the former building to this chapel. So the other important thing is, you know, the first church in Ethiopia, even the first church in Sub-Sahara Africa was built in Aksum. In the 4th century AD, Emperor Ezana built the first church. In 350, the first church was inaugurated, and the first communion service was started here. But unfortunately, the first church was destroyed in the 10th century AD by Queen Judith. Another church was built again and then destroyed in the 16th century. And the monastery behind the chapel is built for third time in the 17th century. So the big church behind was built by Emperor Fasilides, you know, the king who founded Gondar, and then he built one of the big, castle in Gondar, and then he built that monastery in 1662. So that monastery is built for third time in this spot. But when we go down, I will show you a small ruin of the very first church built in the 4th century. First, we'll go quickly to the museum. There is a church museum with many church treasures. And then we'll walk to the new cathedral, okay? And then finally, we will move. Men only is allowed to the monastery. Okay,
I have a question. Has anyone ever tried to steal the...
No.
No?
No, but an attempt was made just 15 years back one Israeli tourist, he tried to jump when the church was closed. One attempt was made, they caught him, and after that, everyone is the guardian of the ark. So, to my knowledge, no any attempt has been done so far, except the one tourist, he tried to jump over the fence. Any question? So now we are walking to the museum straight, and then we'll see the new cathedral.